Hello, I'm Freyja Inanna, and I would like to invite you to explore our online program, Reclaiming Forgiveness. This program is all about restoring the healing and shedding the manipulation around forgiveness that is so prevalent in our modern society. I am a former polygamist, mother of 13 children, experienced registered nurse, midwife, and psychosomatic therapist. And I'm bringing my insights and wisdom from my personal life, my professional training, and many years of work with many people into this journey of illuminating a topic that's largely misunderstood by our society. Forgiveness is a principle that, when properly implemented, is vital to finding peace and empowerment for every individual. Unfortunately, it's been weaponized against those that it's meant to serve. And it's too often used to shift blame, avoid consequences, and perpetuate abuse. So many people find themselves in this place of being pressured to forgive and forget by those who created the trust issue in the first place. And then well meaning friends go on and on about the importance of forgiveness and pressuring the person who's been betrayed or hurt or abused, seemingly in favor of the person who actually committed the betrayal or abuse or harm, whether intentional or unintentional. And on top of that, many of us feel a deep conviction and desire to forgive for our own peace of mind, but really find that it's too difficult because it's just not, we're not taught actually how to effectively implement the process of forgiveness, how to really engage in it effectively. And then there's the concern that forgive and forget, it's just a setup so that it can happen all over again in this perpetual cycle of abuse, which is a really valid concern when forgiveness is engaged in the way that it's taught in our culture as a moral imperative. So, and even harder often for many people is the forgiveness of self. And our relationship with ourselves is really, truly the only relationship that we cannot avoid. Or, on the other hand, someone who has been the one who's betrayed someone's trust or caused harm in some way. It can be a real struggle having hurt someone and not knowing how to make it right. And it's that helpless, awkward feeling of knowing a mistake has been made or harm has been done, but not knowing what to do is a really, really difficult place to be. So, if any of or all of these situations might resonate for you, or if there's any other confusion around the concept and process of forgiveness, this program is meant for you. And I would really invite you to jump in as we bring clarity to how the concept of forgiveness is often misused and how. When used properly, it can bring great peace, healing, and personal power. And we'll deconstruct the beautiful personal restorative power of forgiveness from that too often how it's bundled in reconciliation, restoration of trust, and absolution. And we'll shed light on how these are separate issues from forgiveness. This deep truth exposes the reality that when we allow these four concepts to be merged and conflated, we disempower ourselves and set ourselves up for abuse and the violation of our boundaries. So we'll dive in with like instructional videos, original writings, and guided meditations and proprietary body level processes in this course, in this program, to really take you deep into the clarity around restoration of relationships that are damaged by betrayal and through your own process of forgiveness of others, and more importantly, forgiveness of your own self. So if any of this resonates with you and draws you, I look forward to seeing you inside. And if you have questions, reach out. Bye-bye.